Hi, my name is Kate Kruger, and I'm a Cal State Monterey-based service learner working with the Monterey County Free Libraries. Today, we're going to be making a cool 3D flower out of construction paper. All you need are 2 pieces of construction paper, scissors, and some glue. The glue stick works great for this, but you could use any sort of glue like I have here. Start off by choosing what colors you would like. I think I'll do orange and yellow. So pick which color you want for the petals and which one you want for the center. I think I'll do yellow petals and an orange center. So start off by cutting strips all the way down the paper. You don't need to do the whole paper, about half of it is good. Alright, so we got about half of the paper. Gonna get our glue ready. I'm using some Mod Podge and a paintbrush for that. Okay. So we're gonna fold all of our papers like this. And then it's gonna create a flower like that. So you need at least 5 strips like we have here. And you wanna glue each of your strips like this. So you fold it in half, put a dot of glue at the end, and then you connect them. Right? I'll let that dry while we do the next one. Dab of glue, fold it over, and we have another petal. So while the glue is drying for these, we can cut out the middle part. So for this part, all you need to do is cut a little circle. Alrighty. So now we're going to want to glue the petals to each other. Decide how you want them placed. I usually do a star shape, and then you glue each one on top of each other. So put some on the corners, and then stick each one on. Put a little dot more glue, and put the middle in. All right. We're gonna let that dry. You can try to pick it up. And there you have it, a really cool 3D construction paper flower.